Are you ready, Rocky? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Rocky, you knocked down 4 bowling pins. Hi guys, Paw Patrol is just finishing up their fun skateboarding ride.
Hi Earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. I have a surprise for the Paw Patrol. Watch this. Zim zam shabam.
Look at the surprise we got. We got bowling pins. Are you Paw Patrol so excited? Let's go bowling with your skateboards. So let's push you guys over here and set up your pins. Okay, let's see who's gonna go first. It looks like our pink bowling pin, which is Skye's, is going to go first. Skye, you're up. Here's Skye with her cute pink skateboard. All right, Skye, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, Skye, you knocked down 3 bowling pins, but there are 3 still standing. So good job, you knocked down 3. Let's see, let's set up our bowling pins again. And let's see, look. Our green bowling pin, which is Rocky, is in front. So that means, Rocky, it's your turn with his green skateboard. Are you ready, Rocky? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Rocky, you knocked down 4 bowling pins. And there's only 2 standing up. You just barely beat Skye. Good job, Rocky. You knocked down 4 of them. Okay, can you see whose turn it is now? It's our red bowling pin, and who's that? It's Marshall. So Marshall, who has a red skateboard, gets to go now. Are you ready, Marshall? Try to knock all of them down. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Marshall, you kind of turned at the very end. You only knocked down 1. That's okay, though. All right, let's switch it up. Okay, it looks like it's Zuma's turn. Zuma wears orange, so he has an orange skateboard. It's your turn, Zuma. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Zuma knocked down all 6 bowling pins. Good job, Zuma. You got a strike. You're winning everybody. Let's set up our bowling pins again. And look who's next. It's Rubble with his yellow bowling pin and his yellow skateboard. Are you ready, Rubble? Let's see how many you could knock down. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Rubble knocked down 4, just like Rocky. So look, Chase is our only one left to try to knock them all down. Let's see, Chase, are you ready? We have your blue bowling pin and your blue skateboard all ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, Chase knocked down 4 too. The same as Rocky and Rubble. So look, he left Skye and Chase up. They're so cute. So let's set up all of our bowling pins one last time. So let's see, Marshall got 1, Skye got 3, Rocky, Rubble, and Chase all got 4, and Zuma got 6. Good job, Zuma, you're the winner. But everyone else, let's all do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, everyone together didn't even knock them all down. That's really funny.
Wow! You knocked them all down.
Thanks, Marty, for helping us.
You're welcome. And now, that's it for our Paw Patrol bowling. Now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Bananas, apricot jam and jelly, custard, my favorite. Oh, should we get a stick of bread too? Uh-oh.
Greetings, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Okay, looks like we're at the market today. And I see Romeo sneaking in the corner.
Uh-oh. I just need a couple more things for my magic potion to turn the dinosaurs crazy. Oh no, what's that I hear? Yeah. It looks like the Paw Patrol's coming. I better hide. Woohoo! Ooh, this is my favorite grocery store. They always have so many fun treats. Croissants. I love croissants. Ooh, this place looks pretty good. Ooh, my favorite yogurt and custard. Let me look at the fruits and vegetables. Ooh, the vegetables look yummy. Let me get a cart. Did you bring your wallet, Chase, so that we can pay for our groceries when we're done? Sure did. Great. I'll start picking some stuff out. Let's see. We want these bananas. Yummy. We want this apricot jam. Yummy. We want this honey. Looks delicious. The fruits and vegetables. Peppers. Rubble likes those because they're yellow. Let's get him some. Should we get Zuma some carrots? What else should we get? You want some custard, you said? Looks pretty tasty. Ooh, and let's get a croissant. Actually, a pretzel. And something for lunch. One of these sandwiches. Looks so yummy. Oh, should we get a stick of bread too? Uh-oh. Romeo, what are you doing here? I'm here for something and you can't stop me. I need it now. I just have to find it. What are you here for? Something to complete my potion to make the dinosaurs crazy. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound too good. And here it is. This is part of the stuff that I need for my potion. The elixir of apples and surprises. It looks like these dinos are in for a treat. Romeo, you can't. I can and I will. See you later. Oh no. Romeo took that and he didn't even pay for it. Uh-oh. That's not good that Romeo didn't pay for it. What should we do? Well, I guess we should go after him, but we have to make sure to pay for our stuff first, before he gets those crazy dinos. Oh, hi Owlette, do you work here? Yeah, I work here now. I'm the cash register. I work at the cash register, so if you need to buy stuff, you pay me. Well, we've got a lot of stuff we are getting today. Pretzels. Bananas, apricot jam and jelly, custard, my favorite, carrots, this really yummy bagel sandwich for lunch, bear honey, my favorite, and last but not least, a yellow pepper. Guess who that's for? I guess, Rubble, you're right. Wait a second. There was something on here before. The elixir of apples and surprises. Oh no, Romeo was just in here. Romeo? Aw, man, I left for 2 minutes and Romeo shows up and steals the elixir of apple and surprises? Oh no, what are we gonna do? We gotta get it back. Okay, well, I'll have to close shop. We'll have to go get him before he uses that. I wish I had been here to stop him from taking it. Me too. Well, good thing we paid for our groceries. Let's head out and we'll catch up with Romeo. You want to come, Owlette? Sure.
Uh-oh, looks like Romeo took some stuff from the store without asking, and now he's off to get the dinos. Ah! Let's see what happens next. Hi guys, subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam. Oh look, here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.